Hello everyone, in front of me is INFINIX Hot 20i, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So at first open new message or any other area where you can input some text, so you just have to have the access to your keyboard, like this. And if you wish to change the current language, tap on settings icon, go to languages and click add keyboard. Here you can pick whichever language you want to apply. The list is truly long, so you'll definitely find something suitable. Tap on done then. Now you can remove unnecessary languages. And then let's go back. And the language is already changed. Obviously, if you wish to stay with two languages, you can smoothly apply both of needed languages, and then you can switch between them by tapping on space. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.